Welcome to this Centaur Academy training video. I'm going to show you how we identified a horse that we thought had a good chance of being in the finish. And after having a look at the graphs of the other horses, we saw not much movement on the favourite. There'd been a bit of support for the second favourite down from 9 to 2. And that made the third horse, which we liked, Albacil, we thought would be in the finish, to drift. Not much in the other two, not much movement there. So most of the movement was in the second and third favourite, and we thought the third favourite had a great chance. We noticed that from the resistance points they'd really backed Way Source, which pushed our horse right out to the top of its range and made it very good value, as it had been 3 to 1 earlier and was now just around 9 to 2 or 5.5 on the exchange. So we backed it at 5.5. The whole plan here is to let this horse go in running, because we believe it will run a big race and will be right in the finish, if not even win the race. So what we're looking to do is just try and nick £20. As soon as the race starts, it should drop down to about 4 to 1 to its average price during the trading, and we should be able to nick a fairly easy 20 quid. We're betting 200 here, so we're just trying to win 10% of our money on not much price movement. 9 to 2 into 4 to 1 is not a very big movement at all in these markets. The second favourite is starting to drift back now from 320. It's back out to 390, so that should see ours start to come down. There's the race starting now. It's begun well. It's in the top 4 and it's got a clear run. It's a straight race, so it should get a clear passage all the way, but it's going very well. It's in a very nice position, and it should run well. You'll see the prices jump around a lot. It's quite volatile in running, and we still think that this horse will be right in the finish. We don't need it to win, because we're going to try and get out at around 4 to 1. But it's still in a great position, and its price is still drifting because the favourite's got such a good spot as well. It's up over 8 to 1. I think of that price, I'm going to have to back it again. Jump in there at 9.8. We nearly get 9 to 1. We've had £4 match there at 9.8. There's the rest match. So now we've backed it again, which will give us a much better win if we do get this horse in the finish. £100 if we get to 5.2. I think we can do better than that. We'll go in at 4.7. Cancel the other bet at 4 to 1. And now we just wait for this horse to match. It's trading at 13.5, 12.5, 9.6, 7.4. It's right in the race. It's coming up in the top 3. It's right there. So it's going to trade a lot lower than this. Here it comes, coming down 10 to 1, 5 to 1, 4. It's trading with us now. There we go. It just traded even money. So there we've locked in the profit. 142 whether it wins or not. It looks the strongest horse. It looks like it's going to go on and win the race quite comfortably. Yeah, you see there it's traded at 101. It's going to win, and it has done. Now, sure, we could have made a lot more money by just backing it, but we identified it would trade lower in the running. We didn't need it to win. As long as it traded below 4.7, we had the profit locked in. And there it is, £142, whether the horse wins or not.